District hospitals are the frontline providers of surgery in Zambia. The Surge Africa project set out to demonstrate surgical capacity in these hospitals. We used a modified version of the World Health Organization tool for situation analysis to assess emergency and essential surgical care. This tool enabled us to measure surgical capacity in terms of availability of theater staff, availability of equipment, consumables, and other drugs that are used in theater. In addition, we were able to quantify the numbers of surgical procedures that were performed in each hospital over a 12-month period. We collected this information for 2013 and for 2016, and then we made comparisons. We found a significant increase in the number of theater staff across the hospitals. However, we found that in 2016, there were fewer hospitals that were able to report having reliable equipment, particularly anesthetic machines. We also found that there were fewer facilities reporting adequate provision of drugs and consumables. With regards to the surgical output, we found that there was an increase in major surgeries performed in 2016 compared to 2013. However, this increase was not significant. In conclusion, we found that an increase in district hospital theater staff did occur, a significant increase. However, we found that this did not result in a significant increase with regards to surgical output. We also found that there were fewer hospitals that were adequately provided for in terms of equipment, consumables, and drugs for theater. We recommend periodic monitoring of district hospital surgery as part of a systematic approach to address shortages and make safe surgery available to populations in these that are served by these hospitals.